Didn't quite have permission on this trade though, so I did get in a little bit premature. Shouldn't be in this trade actually. Did it again, traders, second day in a row, jumping into a trade without permission. Could just get out with a $40 loss on it. Just a reminder, nothing in this video is trading advice or signals or anything like that. If it sounds like I'm talking to you or giving you advice, I'm not. I'm just talking to myself, and you're getting to watch this video and listen in. All right, let's get on to today's video. All right, good morning, everybody. It is May 7th. Looking at my dashboard for Topstep in my 150K Express funded account. So in my funded account, let's look at it over the last all time. So again, got off to a rough start. Well, got off to a good start. Then casino traded, threw it all away, threw 75% of my account away, basically. It was right about to blow it up at this red line here. And then got back on track and just traded my strategy, traded my plan, recovered this account nicely. Now it's back in the green. Although, the trailing stop still trails. You see the line going up here? It's going to trail me until this line touches zero. Then it won't go anymore, which was basically when I have $4,500 in the account. So every day is the same as the first day. So yes, my account is up $1,209, but nothing has changed from the first day that I started trading this account because the trailing stop, I still can only lose $4,500. I do have 8 total days of $200 or more. Once I get 30, I'll be able to take 100% payouts, and that rolls over to the live account as well when I get there. So far so good. So yesterday I made some dumb trading when I didn't, I jumped into a trade without full permission, made a mistake on that trade, cost me some money, or it would have been an even better day. So hopefully today I don't make any more mistakes and I can make some money today. And yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, let's get into it. Okay, I got a short setup in gold right now. Gonna get in with one contract.
Order filled.
All right, stops in, trades in, speed bump is in. Didn't quite have permission on this trade though, so I did get in a little bit premature. Shouldn't be in this trade actually. Did it again, traders, second day in a row, jumping into a trade without permission. My strategy requires a trigger for the trade and permission, 2 indicators, and I only got 1. See, that's what happens when you're in a hurry sometimes. You don't stop and just be like, okay, before I jump in, is this the right thing to do? So I could get out with a $170 loss. But technically, this still looks like it could be an all right trade. Let's look at it. All right, consolidation here at the top. Kind of got a giant wedge forming. So from a technical standpoint, confirmation bias kicking in. I could justify staying in the trade. But we are trending higher here. Okay, look, I have a chance to get out. All right, let's hurry up. Oh, come on, give it to me, gold. Come down. Show a tail on this candle. Hasn't made a tail yet. Got a wick in there, but now let's make a tail. How much time we got? 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Could just get out with a $40 loss on it. All right, let's see if we get 20 bucks on this trade. This casino trade. I'll take it, 30 bucks. Casino trade, if it comes back up, get my $30, if that.
Order
wait for a better setup. All right, cool. So we got lucky. Made $6 in that trade instead of taking a loss on it. And waiting for a better setup in gold. And I'll bring it to you. See, traders, look at all these candles that have passed since I exited. And I forgot that I had this open order here. I didn't close that. See? Now, what if I'd gone out and like cut the grass, came back in to find out my account got blown up, right? Good thing is over here, at least it would be limited to my bracket order that would automatically go in using the Topstep X tools. I put in my risk at 600, my profit at 1800. So automatically when I place a trade, I have a bracket order that goes in that I can move around. But at least if I ever did get into an accidental trade, this would help limit my losses if it was going against me and capture profits if it went for me. But there's a little extra protection right there. Along with my daily loss limit, I have right now my personal daily loss limit is at $800. And the reason why I set it for 800 is based on my trade right now. I should be able to achieve my goals with my scaling ladder at 800. I don't need to trade with more. I'm risking $400 to $500 on my gold trade, and then up to $500 on my Dow Jones trade if gold's a winner. If not, I'll be looking at around $300 when I trade the Dow Jones. So 800 gives me plenty of room to be able to take those trades. And typically I don't have both of them losers. I don't have a gold loser and then a Dow loser. But if it did happen, then I would hit my DLL. But it's only $800. So not bad for 150K account. Topstep says I can't lose more than $3,500 for the DLL for this account. So 800 is pretty conservative compared to what they're allowing. But anyway, so that's just some food for thought, traders. Do you have any protections in place for you if you accidentally get into a trade that you didn't expect because you left an open order on your screen? Do you have anything in place? A DLL that's automatic or a bracket order that's automatic? What are you guys doing? All right, let's hopefully gold will set up here on a breakout, retrace, and then boost higher, or break down, retrace, and boost lower. One or the other. We shall see. Major consolidation though right here in gold. So I got lucky that it was still in consolidation when I got into that trade I wasn't supposed to be in, and I had the chance to get out for a few dollars profit. I should have probably just took my trade off the table and not messed around with it. Look, I'm in the wrong trade. Let me just get out. Probably should have did that. But looking at it in consolidation, I felt a bit more confident that I was going to have a high probability that I would at least be able to get out break even, and if nothing else. So it worked out. All right, well, hopefully gold will set up soon and we'll make some money. Okay, so I pumped it up to 3 contracts. See this 30-minute candle, 30-minute candle breaking above these 2 candles before it fully retraced, almost fully retraced this candle over here. I think the YM is on a breakout right now. So we're going to jump in 3 contracts long in the YM here in 30 seconds. Something's going on. Big volumes coming in too, so hopefully there's still buyers left. Got 10 seconds. I'm going to jump in. We broke above that level there as well.
Order filled.
Okay. Now I'm in. This may retrace because it's a pretty big candle there. Yeah, we're getting that retracement. I almost wish I would have waited on some of those contracts to jump in on the retracement. All right, pretty big risk reward here on this trade, but I think it's worth it. Clearly look like we're breaking out. We are coming into this resistance area right here and clearly getting that rejection off that. That's why I wish I would have waited. Retrace this candle, rejection in the resistance area. Should have got 1 contract in, waited to get the other 2 in somewhere in this area close to what the stop was going to be. Would have been probably a great spot to do it. But looking for a move back towards the top of this right here. Hoping to be out of this trade in the next 10 minutes because this giant green 30-minute candle over here may retrace once it closes, and I just don't want to go for the ride on the retrace. If it retraces all the way, I'll get stopped out for a loss. So that would be unfortunate. Got 2 5-minute candles to get me to green. See if it can happen. This one, then 2 more.
Order filled.
Oh, I hit my DLL. Forgot about that. Oh no, traders. I forgot. My brain was not turned on today. Hit my DLL. That is a shame because gold will probably have a nice setup today and I won't be able to take it. Oh man. So it looks like it's going to be an $886 losing day. I just got done talking about my DLL, and then I took $1,000 risk on this trade after I just got done talking about my DLL being 800. So dumb, traders. I should have took that $400 loss on this trade, and then still have 1 more trade in. I could be speed bumping this right now, making money to the downside, recovering the day, off to the races, and yeah. So had I speed bump my trade at the stop, I'd recovered my losses already and be in profit, and then be waiting for a gold setup in profit. But I dumb-dumbed it by not paying attention to the DLL. But it's good. I'd rather take that $800 loss in the day. I can easily make 800 in a day. I made 1,200 yesterday, or something like that. I think I made 1,200 yesterday, 1,000 yesterday. Yeah, 1,000 yesterday. So all good. I can't believe that just happened. All right, traders. I guess we'll see you tomorrow.